from kinder level, Glenn Matthew M. Hernan, to deliver a speech.
Sige, lapit ka dun sa harap ko doon.
At the center. Distinguished guests, beloved teachers, parents, visitors, and fellow students, a pleasant afternoon to everybody. It's a beautiful day to witness a very important event in our life. That is graduation day. After months of hard work, we were able to prove our worth. It is but proper for us to give thanks to our Lord God for His blessings, to our dear parents for their moral support in giving us a good education, most especially to our mentors for the knowledge and guidance, for without them we will not be able to accomplish our goals. To all those people behind our success, let us give them a big round of applause. I thank you.
Pinapaya si Bakit.
Okay, very good. Next part of the program. The next part of